So you want to outsource your accounting? You came to the right place. I'm Cindy Scholz, a partner here at ONS. Come on, follow me. I'll show you the benefits to outsourcing your accounting.
Reduce costs. Typical clients can reduce accounting staff as well as the benefits and overhead associated with in-house staff. With nonprofit outsourced accounting, there's no need to hire, train, or maintain accounting staff. There's no need to purchase or maintain accounting software and the sophisticated additional systems necessary to run it. We can manage payroll, payables, receivables, expense reporting, and budgeting. Reduce risks. Nonprofit outsourced accounting allows enhanced checks and balances to improve the integrity of your accounting system. We have state-of-the-art security systems that keep details of your financial transactions confidential. Our hierarchy of security protocols and access control keeps your data limited to need-to-know personnel only. We understand nonprofit outsourced accounting and how to present information to your auditors to receive a clean opinion. Faster and better data. Our nonprofit outsourced accounting program yields real-time financial information to give you the data needed to run your organization effectively. Our nonprofit outsourced accounting dashboards for management give management and boards access to quick measurement data without pouring through financial statements and doing their own analysis. We have the experience and the specialists. Our team would love to help you.
We'd love to hear from you today. Please contact us at the link below.